Hi everyone, this is Pallavi Anand. Welcome to class 8. Topic for today is client is on a visit. Question: was the client happy with PAL and did they place a new order with the company? To know the answer, watch the entire video. Do not forget to type the answer in the comments section below. Let's go through the introduction. Pal is a bit nervous but confident. One of the company clients is coming on a visit to check the progress of the product and to test if it meets the quality standards before the client receives the final consignment. Pal's company had received an order from this client for manufacturing and exporting this product within 6 months from receiving the order. PAL is working with a company which manufactures a few organic skin products. The client had placed an order for some organic Ayurvedic soaps and sunscreen lotions. PAL has been in charge of looking after the product manufacturing as per the standards given by the client. Let's see if the client is happy with the quality and progress of the product. Let's go through the conversation.
Hi pal, is everything okay?
Yes, Max, I'm absolutely fine.
But you are looking a bit occupied today. Are you thinking something?
No, I'm okay.
I think all is not okay.
Max, I have a client coming to visit our factory today.
Oh, okay, so what's the worry?
Nothing to worry, but I'm a bit nervous.
Nervous? Why so?
This client is from Germany.
Oh, must be an important client then.
This client is very important for the company.
So why are they coming?
They had placed a big order around 6 months ago.
Order? What kind of order?
They have placed an order for some organic Ayurvedic soaps and sunscreen lotions.
Oh, I see.
Yes, Max.
So the customer is from Germany.
Yes, the customer is from Germany.
So it must be a very important client.
Yes, this client is very important.
So why are they coming?
They want to come and check the quality of the product.
But a company is known for its quality products.
Yes, but this client is very particular. They want to be self-assured that we are using the right quality of raw material. They also want to check if all the quality standards are met.
That's nice.
That's nice, Max, but there is pressure.
Pressure? What pressure you talking about?
The company management is clear that the client has to be sent happy.
Yes, the client will be happy. I'm confident.
Yes, I have personally monitored the product quality, so there seems to be no issue so far.
So, why are you nervous, pal?
I don't want the client to go unhappy, Max.
But why will the client go unhappy, pal?
This client is very sensitive about smallest of things.
But I'm confident you must have done your job well.
Yes, I have done my best.
So, how is the quality of the end product?
Yes, the quality is amazing.
That is great news.
We have sourced all the raw material as per the standards set by the client.
So, the client will be satisfied.
Yes, I want them to be satisfied.
How are they to talk to?
They are good to talk to.
Then you need not worry.
But this client is very professional, Max.
Let them be professional.
Yeah, but further orders depends on the feedback.
Don't worry, the feedback will be positive.
If this client goes happy, we will get more customers from Europe, Max.
That's a big business for the company.
That's why I'm a bit nervous.
Do not worry, pal. They will go happy.
Hope so, Max.
I'm confident they will appreciate your work as well.
Yes, that too is important.
You are good at handling clients, pal.
Yes, I have handled a lot of clients, but I don't know why. This time I'm a little nervous.
Just relax. You have done your best.
Yes, I have tried to.
The client will love your work.
Thanks, Max.
Let me know if you need any help, pal.
Thanks, Max. I'll surely let you know.
Meet you after the client meet.
Yes, for sure.
So, pal, how was the client?
Surprisingly, the client did not ask any questions, Max.
I told you they would love your work.
I took them on a factory round. Surprisingly, they just observed everything and seemed happy.
So, did they say something?
They just liked the cleanliness in the factory and observed the manufacturing process.
Hey, that's good news.
They did not say anything to me.
Maybe they must have said something to the management.
Yes, I did take them to the management.
So, did they say anything there?
Yes, they just said that I'm doing a great job.
That's amazing, pal. Congrats.
That's very surprising, Max. You know what, Max? They have given one more big order to the company.
Hey, that is a great news.
Yes, Max, and I still can't believe it.
Pal, you are capable, I know.
Thank you, Max, for that motivation.
It's your hard work, pal. You deserve it.
Hope the company gets more clients through their reference.
Yes, the company will benefit with their feedback.
I'm sure they will. I'm so happy.
Good luck, pal. Enjoy the day.
Yeah, Max. See you soon. Summary. Pal was nervous but confident till the time the client was about to visit. Once the client arrived, Pal took the client on a round of the factory. The client did not react but was just observing the factory and the manufacturing process. They were very happy with the product manufacturing process and also with the quality of the product. The client appreciated Pal in front of the management of the company for her good work. The client placed one more big order with the company. Pal was now excited and happy after the client visit as she knew that now the company would get more references from Europe as the management was happy too. English is about listening carefully and responding. Catch the important words. Listen to the sentences carefully. Listen to these conversation classes repeatedly. Learn English with me, Pallavi Anand, through our day-to-day conversations. Like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you do not miss out on any class. Hope you enjoyed this video. Happy learning!